Hello guys, in this video I want to tell you how to make a gaming intro in Kinemaster. If you want to learn this kind of intro in Kinemaster, then watch this video. At the end of this video, you know how to make a gaming intro in Kinemaster. Without wasting time, let's start the video. First of all, open the Kinemaster and create a new project. The ratio of the project is 16:9. Add the video which you can get from the description. Then play the video and pause and place the slider where I slide in the video. Now click on layer, then on text and add any type of text you want to hide. Then change the font of the text. Then choose display and choose the full text. If you want to download this type of text, then go to store and search for the full text. Download the text and use in your video. Then click on back and back. Then click on tick option and increase the size of the text. Then place the text in the middle of the screen. Then click on three dot and duplicate the text. Then click on first text and then color. Then change the color text into the invisible text. Then click on outline and enable the outline. The color of the outline is red. The weight of the outline should be 14 or 15. Now again select the first text and select in animation and select the converge animation. The speed of the animation should be 0.3 second. Now select the video and extract the audio from the video. Select the second text and cut the text on the beat. Slide the text on the beat. Now again select the second text and select in animation. The animation of the text should be wipe right. The speed of the animation should be 0.3 second. Now click on layer, then on effects, then select mirage effect which you can download from the store. Now cut the extra part of the effect. Now delete the extra part of the effect text and the second text. Then again click on layer, then on effect and select the wiggle effect. Then cut and adjust the effect as I can do in the video. Now again start the video and cut the text at the end of the video. Now export the video and select the export quality of the video.